How to block someone on iPhone without them knowing. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. From your list of conversations, find and tap on the message thread from the person you wish to block. Once you are inside the conversation, tap on the contact's name or profile icon at the very top of the screen. A new menu will appear with several options for the conversation. Tap on the Info button to view the full contact details. Here, scroll down to the very bottom of the screen. After that, tap on the Block Caller button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Block Contact to confirm. You will no longer receive any notifications or messages from this sender until you manually unblock them. Following these steps, you can easily block someone on an iPhone without them knowing. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.